imati čitavo Sarajevo i da bude 49. Jer nama je manje dato zemlje nego što je rečeno.
Dok ti živit, jel ima šanse za muslimani i Srbi da žive zajedno?
Ne, mi nikada više sa njima nećemo da živimo. Oni htjeli sa nama ili ne htjeli, mi nećemo sa njima da živimo.
Ja sam siguran da će Bosna i Bosanci pobijediti. Bosna je velika država u kojoj mogu zajedno da žive i muslimani, i Srbi, i Hrvati, i svi ostali narodi, nacije na svijetu. To moraju biti pošteni, pravedni ljudi.
Jel šta misliš o tvoj život sada?
U mom životu sada? Pa nema puno vremena da razmišljam o životu. Evo jedino vrijeme kad razmišljam to je ovdje pored ovog jezera. Ja sam odrastao uz jezero, uz rijeku Drinu. Jedino što me posjeća na moj zavičaj je ovo jezero ovdje. Evo vidiš, tišina, malo je sad zaledlo, sad će proljeće, vidiš. I rode se javljaju. Sjećam se djetinjstva, to mi još jedino ostalo.
With my camera, I visited the place where Sinaid grew up, Kulograd, above Zvornik. For me, it was strange being here, knowing that Sinaid had fought for so long and dreamed of coming back here. It was difficult for me to imagine what Sinaid's reaction would be when he saw these pictures for the first time in 4 years.
Evo moje kuće. Tu sam ja rođen. Evo ova trešnja ovdje. Dok sam bio dijete, to su prve trešnje koje uzriju. Puno sam se puta penio na tu trešnju kao dijete. Bravo plodor. Vidi sad što je ostalo od nje, vidi se da i ona pati što nas nema.
Šta misliš sada?
Mislim kako da se vratim. Evo i danas...
Under the Dayton Accords, I-4 is supposed to provide safe return for the Muslims to their homes on the Drina.
I-4, mi ne moramo više se u I-4 računati nikak. Nisam nadat. Jer kak je bio Umprofor, tak je i I-4. Istijem tempom, istijem matom.
One day in late spring of this year, the American army tried to open the road so the Muslims could return to the Drina. They stopped immediately 3 Serbs who were carrying machine guns and helmets. These were military weapons, and they were confiscated as they should be under the Dayton Accords.
3 AK-47s and ammunition. No. It's quite a find here, actually. They're not supposed to have military equipment.
Then the American soldiers took pictures of themselves and congratulated each other for a job well done.
It's ours. Exactly. You did good, Sergeant McConnell. Appreciate it.
Anytime, sir. That's what we're here for.
Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Hey, guys. Keep up the good work. Appreciate it.
But watch what happens next. In the same place, 1 hour later, these same American soldiers stopped 3 Serb trucks carrying several uniformed Serbs who claimed that they were civilian police from Zvornik.
Reci nas otvara striptease bar. Reci nas otvara striptease.
We have a striptease bar.
The American commander asked the Serb commander to show him what was inside the trucks.
Bag.
This is a huge violation of the Dayton Accords. These are obviously military weapons. The Serbs even admitted that they were using these weapons in case there was to be a Muslim demonstration. Yet the American army let them go, back out on the road to the Drina. few days later, not too far from here, a bridge connecting Muslims to the Serb side was blown up. Serb police said they would investigate. For Muslim refugees, home is so close, but yet so far away.
Znaš da Srbi ljudi tamo svi ima puške, loganske puške, znaš?
Imam ja mitraljice. To lovačke mitraljice.
Maybe Sinai's destiny is to return home one day. Like Bosnia, Sinai has stared death in the face many times and survived. Is this a picture from the past or of the future? Samo Bog zna.